Kasi my wife's cousin is a supplier of mga snacks, no? Chicheria, chicharon. Sige, we will help you start, no? Kami magsusource, hanap kayo ng pwesto. So sabi ko, okay. Now the problem, doon ba na ma-realize pag nandun ka sa mismo sitwasyon, unang problema namin, yung inuupahan namin, wala silang BIR. So kami naman, hindi kami makapag-BIR kasi requirements pala yun, no? Kasi kamag-anak nila yung politiko sa lugar, no? So, isa yun sa nakikitang problema. So parang nangangamba ka parati, puntahan ka ng BIR, mag-inspection, katakot-takot na penalty. And then, of course, sabi ko, nag-pandemic, that's the time, sinara din namin yun, no? And then I got into logistics business, no? I manage a company. We have 14, 15, no, lorries, trucks, yung 40 footer, no? Yung container. Ang client namin is one of the biggest producing milk, no, dito sa Laguna. We are responsible of bringing in raw materials. Then kami din po ang lalabas to warehouses. So I have 30 employees. Noong una, okay lang. But then, ang second namin na challenge, first challenge ng company is during the fuel crisis, no? Yung 45 naging 80, just like now, no? Kasi if that happens within your contract, no, hindi ka basta-basta makapagtaas ng sigil, no? Bibigyan ka lang ng allowance ng company hanggang kailan ka na pwede mag-adjust. But of course, fuel is only one aspect. Nandun yung tao mo, no? Kasi yung tao gusto niya asan yung sahod niya, no? So, those are the challenges that we have decided na i-close yung company. Sabi ko sa may-ari, benta na natin habang may value pa. No? Intact yung tao natin, running yung sasakyan natin. So that's the best thing siguro ang nagawa ko sa company. Na-ibenta ko siya na maganda yung presyo. No? So how did I start here in Big Wave? Way back in 2018, yung wife ko, ang unang-unang tao nagsimula dito, yung mother-in-law ko. She's a chemical engineer by profession, but hindi siya na-practice, no? Kasi alaga siya ng mga anak. No? Gusto niya hands-on. So, ang nangyari, nakita niya dito ang opportunity. Ang nakita niya dito is yung income, passive income, to replace her retirement na hindi siya nagkaroon. Pension. No? Kasi ako din, wala rin akong pension eh. Actually, no? So, nakita niya yun. Tapos, sabi niya, this is a stem cell. Pwede ito i-prescribe ng anak ko kasi my wife is an OB-GYN. Yung sister naman niya is infectious specialist, no? And then, dalawa din sister ko, puro din doktor. Sabi niya, madali lang po sa mga anak ko. I-prescribe. Only to realize na lahat ng mga doctors in the family objected to the idea. No? Sabi nila, networking lang yan, pera-pera lang yan, hindi yan totoo. So despite protest sa family, yung mother-in-law ko, bumili pa rin ng one set. Tinago niya ng ilalim ng kama, tinayin niya walang tao sa bahay. And then, nung tinago niya, nabuking pa siya ng mother-in-law ko. Sabi niya, di ba pinagbawalan ka niya? Sabi ko, maingay, maganda to, ang babata, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ng mother-in-law ko, saan ba nabibili yan? So, nagkaroon siya ng unang downline, so binan kong lalaki, no? Ayun. So yun, yung mother-in-law ko, push ng push sa wife ko. Ang wife ko naman, para tumigil yung mother-in-law ko, bumili siya ng one set, ipinangalan sa akin, no? Kaya pag uwi ko ng 2018, meron na akong one set ng therapy at meron na akong account. Diamond account. Sabi ko, nung narinig ko yung diamond, sabi ko, mag-aalakas ata kami business. Pero hindi, stem cell. So sabi ko, patay. Kasi ako, I'm not a believer of supplement, no? Kasi ang paniniwala ko, as long as you are healthy, no? Kaya mong kunin yung mga required nutrients doon sa ating mga kinakain, no? So yun ang paniniwala ko. Kaya doon sa Middle East, titignan ko sa diet namin, puro karne, walang isda, doon ako umiinom ng fish oil. Kasi wala eh. Pero kung may fish, walang problema. No? Hindi ako magsusupplement. So, 6 months actually hindi namin inom yung product. Nandun lang sa aming kwarto. Every night, tinitignan ko, 135,000. Yung gagawin natin. So, initially, we plan to sell the product. But of course, without confidence, no? Paano mo may recommend ang isang bagay? Oo, na hindi mo try. Sabi, it cannot lie naman talaga, no? Mahirap, no? Masisensya ng kausap mo eh. So, ginawa namin, December 2018, sabi namin, let's take the product. Kasi, at that time, meron kang traditional business, parang flu season, no? So, initially, ang effect sa akin, maganda ang tulog. Napakaganda kasi for the longest time, ang tulog ko mababaw lang. No? Madali ako mag-isip. Pag mag-isip ako, palakad-lakad na ako dun sa ano. Chine-check ko yung mga perimeter fence, yung mga nakapark, may kaaway ba dito? So, initially, yung maganda tulog, nag-improve. Tapos, I felt lighter, no? Kasi before, ang groggy na yung pag-iisip ko, no? Mabagal na ang kumilos. Kasi marami na akong ninindang sakit sa likod, sa tuhod, no? And then, I have noticed na kaya ko nang mag-deep sitting, no? Parang mag-squat. Kasi before, hindi ko talaga matutupi yung left knee ko. So sabi ko, maganda yung produkto, maganda yung effect sa akin. Sabi naman ng wife ko, kasi sabay kami uminom, sabi niya, yung low back pain din daw niya nag-improve kasi scoliotic siya, no? Kanyang migraine, kanyang palpitations, no? At saka allergic rhinitis, asthma, no? Yun. So, ang nakikita naman naming challenge is yung isang set, dalawa kami umiinom. Sabi namin, 3 months lang ito, mauubos. So, sabi namin, paano kaya ito? Kasi sabi nila, direct selling. So, we were advised by our upline, no? David Pavo, Luhang Baro, na you share it to other people. When they get product from you, you will earn 10% of the package. So, yun ang idea ko, okay. So, umuwi ako sa Mindanao, no? Nag-share ako sa mga pinsan ko, GERD, thyroid, hyperthyroidism, at saka diabetic. Oo. You know, those cousins of mine, since 2019 up until now, sa akin umu-order. Hindi sila nagdi-distributor. Every time maubos yung product nila, katawagan sa akin yun. No? So, ganun kasi business people din sila, ibang line of business nila. No? So, ganun. And then, meron akong politician na may diabetic foot, no? Meron akong... But that time, ang alam na namin i-share sa may mas conditions. No? Kasi we didn't look at this as a legitimate business. No? Until such time, yung mother-in-law ko naman, kumita siya ng 6 digits in 1 month na sobrang laki, no? Para sa amin, isipin mo kumita siya na hindi siya lumabas ng bahay dahil pandemic. No? Dahil may 3 lang siya na-invite. Yung brother niya na hotelier, no? Director of Engineering ng most hotels dito sa Metro Manila, ay isa naman sa retired teacher. Dahil meron scleroderma, early retirement, she's forced to retire. So sa 3 yun, na may pinasok kasi nag-business, yung mother-in-law ko, nandun lang sa bahay kasi senior at that time, hindi makalabas, kumita ng 6 digits. More than $500,000. Kaya doon kami napatingin sa business, no? Kasi my wife is an OB-GYN. During pandemic, takot yung wife ko kasi isa lang anak namin, baby pa, no? And then a lot of reports, no? Yung mayroong anesthesiologist from Manila doctors na na namatay dahil sa COVID, no? Marami kami kilala dun actually na namatay. So, medyo scary yung situation para sa amin. So, to make the story short, when we realized that this platform, napakaganda, no? Kasi ever since na nandito ako sa Riway, inoobserbahan na namin parati, no? Kasi who trusts in networking company ba? No? Yung wala pang Riway. Wala, no? Kasi siyempre yung ibang company, hindi nila nasusustain yung business. Parati lang hype, no? Pero dito, nakita namin, ang company is growing with only one health supplement product. At the same time, lalabas pa ng 5th edition, 6th edition. Continuous ang research and development. So di po ba magandang company?
Yes.
So yun ang isa sa mga deciding factors ng aming mag-asawa na let's pursue this business because this business maraming matutulungan pa. Hindi lang dito pera-pera. Kasi maswerte tayong mga Pilipino. Maswerte tayong Pilipino kasi when we got into this industry, tinignan namin ano ba trajectory ng mga direct selling? Mostly pala mga North American companies. By the time na dumating sila sa Pilipinas, no, mga 10, 15 years, 20 years, saturated na ang market. So tayo mga Pilipino, wala nang chance mag-market sa ibang bansa. No? But Riway, no, thankfully, dumating sa atin 2016. No? Mas nauna pa tayo sa Japan. No? Nauna pa tayo sa Europe. No? So we are, I think, in the right company and the right direction. Kaya sabi ko sa wife ko, actually yung wife ko nag-convince sa akin, gawin na lang natin ito. No? Kasi anak namin maliit pa, that is the most crucial time din sa kanyang growth and development na kasama namin. Kasi isa lang anak namin, no? After that kasi, pag high school na, may sarili na yung lakad, sabi ng wife ko, if ever that time will come, maybe she can go back to her practice. No? But first, we have to establish Riway. That's why we are here. No? Kaya ginagawa namin to, in the family, I think we are 5 or 6 in the family doing this business. May retired teacher, yung uncle ko na hotelier, may ibang active, may isang senior partner na isang pinakamalaking law firm, accounting firm dito sa Pilipinas, doing this discreetly. No? So ganun kami dito sa family. And then nakikita ko, what company, no, na nag-o-offer, no, have you seen a company na nagsabi na this is our product, this is our technology? Di ba? Very confident ang company. No? This is how we do the business. Kaya dito po, parati ko na-explain sa aking mga downlines. No? You know, it's not focused more on the product, it's part of our business, but it's not here 100%. Because what makes this company successful is the system. Yung system ni Riway na binigay sa atin, nilahatag sa atin ng boss, no? Dito mo, ito yung magiging successful. Even the boss who created the system, follow the system. Ganun ginawa niya. Kaya sa, yun before kasi, hindi namin maintindihan. Because most of the talkings are in Mandarin, no? Kaya kami naman, parang limited lang din ang mapipick up. But then, the company does not stop there, no? Gumawa siya ng USB, standing in the shoulder of giants. You have to listen to that. And then 700 pesos lang. But the lesson that you can get from these talks are very invaluable. And dyan sa office natin, pakinggan nyo. Why he started Riway? Bakit direct selling ang approach? No? Bakit health supplement ang napiling business? Because number one, he believed that health is essential. Do you believe that health is essential?
Yes.
Of course, no? Before we can do anything else, no? Worship your God. I mean, whatever religion we are in, we do business. First, we need to be healthy. No? When we speak of health kasi, physical and mental, no? Spiritual, that is the aspects na being taught here in Riway. So ako, sabi ko, although I am a nurse with a lot of experience, emergency, gera, no? But never in my given us smallest thought na ikinahihiya ako na naging direct seller ako ng Riway International. Kasi I believe that this company will bring Philippines, no, to a new heights. No? Hayaan natin yung mga politikong away-away, no? Magigera, pandemic alone, no? Nalagpasan natin, no? Do you know how fast the company evolved during pandemic? Napakabilis. Wala pang isang buwan, meron na tayong online. Yung boss ng parang news anchor, no? Mga top leaders, top managers. Kaya marami yung nag-fake. Paano po nag-drunk at that time. So, yeah. I believe we are in the right company. I hope ma-invites natin, no? Makikita din nila yung mga nakikita namin, no? Kasi, you know, in this company, dito lang natin yung pangarap natin sa buhay, no? Not 100%, no? Kasi, kung sinabing babata ka, babata. Pero kung gwagwapo, didibatihan pa natin yan. But, so again, ladies and gentlemen, you know, one last yesterday is the only easy day, no? Ever since, every day may challenges, no? But of course, with the family of Riway, no? Ating mga active na mga distributors, business development managers, and officers. So, I believe we are in the right company, the right hand. Thank you very much.